food channel. This is Anagha and in this video I'll be showing you a very quick easy recipe, that is chicken egg roll, and this is a more healthier version. Have used the chapati as a wrapper here, and very ideal for your breakfast or evening snackers. So let's see how to make this, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. So let's watch how to make chicken egg roll. So for this chicken egg roll, first I'll crack 2 eggs. To this I'm going to add little salt and just whisk it. Once this is done, keep this aside. So this is the wheat dough, and I'm going to roll this into a round circular shape, and then we'll add the filling. So once the pan is hot, I'm going to add this chapati. Little oil. Keep it in sim and add this egg. Let's split this. I'm going to add cooked chicken and mushroom. To this, add some grated carrot, green chili sauce, little spice mix. You can use oregano also in case if you have it. Little mayonnaise. Little tomato sauce, and finally cheese. Now just roll this one. So on a very simple flame, let this be for a minute, and we will flip this. So it's ready. Now we'll serve this. So now let's serve this. So this egg chicken stuff roll is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.